As a pedestrian, I feel like it's more eye appealing, and that, it keeps the rotation going a little faster.
We are very excited about the installation of our new mini roundabouts here on Soul Trace. Drivers were not paying attention to the always stop that was installed at this intersection. There were concerns about speeders. We have our neighborhood traffic calming program. In it, we invite the public to let us know what their concerns are. Once we hear from them, we come out, evaluate the situation. We identify if there is an issue. The mini roundabout actually helped us address these issues. Drivers, as they approach, as they enter the neighborhood, are given a visual cue that, hey, things are changing here. This is no longer just a big street. This is the entrance into a neighborhood. The key is always to create as safe, as friendly an environment for all our users.